Let me show you how we can apply conditional formatting in numbers for your Mac. So here I am, and I'm going to select part of this table. So I want math, science, and English scores to be selected. With certain cells selected, we can now go to the format section on the right side and be sure you change to cell formatting. You will see this big button here called conditional highlighting. From here we can create a rule. So if the number is greater than, let's say in our case 80, fill it green. Take a look, they got some pre-made options, so I will stick with the green. That's my rule number one. I can add more rules. So if the number is less than 50, fill it red. In our case, nothing is red. We can also add a rule when the number is kind of between. So I can now make another rule, so the number is between 79 and 51. In that case, it will be yellow. And with those three rules, all of the scores for tests are highlighted correctly. So everything up 80 and above is green, from 79 to 51, that's yellow, and then below 50%, that will be red. And if I add more rows, I can extend those rules. So I can always go back to cell and go to highlighting rules. I can extend them. If you don't want to use the rule anymore, you can click this little trash bin icon here. Delete that. If you want one rule to be more important than another, you can move the rule above this way. All right, so that's how you do it. Simply select the range or the whole column. Go to Format. Be sure you are in the cell, not table, not text, the cell area. Conditional highlighting, and then create rules. The rules will highlight certain cells automatically. So the rules can be based on numbers, text, date, duration, or cell properties. So if the cell is not blank, there's something in it, make it blue text. Very quick. All right, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.